All right, welcome to tutorial number 14, how to create a very simple flashcard. The best way to illustrate that, I'm going to show you a pre-kindergarten lesson that teach the kids how to use the upper and lower cases. All right, so I'm going to show you how that works.
Capital A. Alarm. Capital B. Baby. Baby. Uppercase. Capital B. Lowercase. B.
So even the flashcard is shown, you can still tap at it, so if I tap it,
Baby.
so you show, and then if you want to animate a little bit, so you can move the little giraffe around and show moving around here. You move here and tap. So just to make things more interesting. Now, if you continue, you just tap on next.
Capital C. Cactus.
Okay, so this thing can go forever. You can create a flashcard with just 3 cards, or you can create a flashcard with 20, 30, 50, or hundreds of things. Obviously, you want to limit to the number of that, and I will show you how to do that later on, okay? Now let's see how this lesson works, okay? This lesson actually been created in less than 2-3 minutes here, and I'm going to show you the content of that. Earlier, if you notice that we're using a pointer image with a little cartoon hand, and we can actually turn off so you won't show the hands, and you can set the speed to play a little bit faster, and the transition is move from top, and you can set it to fade so the lesson can be any different type of the special effect here. Now the content is actually quite easy here. So all you did here in the inside the note here, you put A uppercase, A lowercase, and a word along, which including an uppercase A and lowercase a, which is probably the best way to illustrate that. Now you notice that all 3 words are separated by a pipe. Okay, we call it a pipe here to separate that. So this is important. So now you can add more. So if you want to add here, you can continue add F and go into here, lowercase f, and you can put whatever you want to, and 15. Okay, so that's how you work, how that work. Okay, and then you put the words that consist of both uppercase and lowercase. So now, and in the image itself here, here's the trick here. Now, if you notice that when you define that, all you have to do is put an add sign, and instead of put the actual A, uppercase, lowercase a, you put an add sign, which is text 1, text 2, and text 3. Then you can put a special effect here, and it's S/S to simply say to speak, and with a transition effect of fade in 2 seconds, and to left justify here. Okay, we're gonna give you all this code that so you can use it, and quite simple. When you put that in there, once you get used to it, take you just a couple minutes to learn that. So basically, whatever the first word, which is uppercase A, will appear, it will appear starting from here, and it will speak the word here. If you don't have an S, it will not, the text to speech will not say anything. And you can add the transition, so when it appear, it has a special effect, which will fade in. You can move from the left, move from the top, or move from the right, different way of transition over. And you wanted to justify left, so the word will flush, so they will all line up perfectly. So text 2 simply means the second one on your list, which also will speak, and same transition, in fact, also justified left. And the last one, remember the alarm, which is the uppercase A, lowercase a, the alarm will appear on this same box here, right? So which will appear right here, which is text number 3. It's a smaller font here, and it will also fading in 2 seconds. There's no justification, so it actually will appear right in the middle of that. That's how you program it. Obviously, you want to put the background, you want to put the little giraffe here, you use your hand, animate it a little bit, so you'll save the lesson here. So that's how that works. It's very simple here. So now I'm going to show you one more trick before we wrap it up here. So in here, if you notice that we play that in sequence here. Now if you want to play randomly, so every time it's different, so you can simply put random. Oh, I'm actually programmed in German, which I want to switch it back to English. Okay, so random. And you can also control, I only want, if I have 100 of them, I just want to play 3 of those, which is also how simple it is to do that. So that's it. You save it. Now watch, they're going to play randomly, select 3 of those.
Capital E. E. 11. Capital B. B. Baby. Capital A. A. Alarm.
So when you finish, and that will end. All right, that's it.